Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and the produce section where I live can often look pretty sparse and sad, but thankfully I've been able to add some plant-based goodness to my meals with these Mumm's sprouting seeds. I am definitely not a gardener and I don't have a green thumb of any kind, but I found these really easy to get started with. I did already have a sprouting jar that a really good friend of mine gave me, so all I had to do was follow the really simple instructions on the package for the initial soaking and then rinsing them twice a day. I found that the whole process is actually really fun to do. I would look forward to checking on my sprouts every day to see how much progress they were making. I was blown away by the plentiful results of sprouting these seeds. I only used 2 tablespoons of the seeds and I had so many sprouts. They kept really well in the fridge. I just stored them in a resealable container and then they were available for me to add to a wide variety of my meals. I really enjoy eating these. I absolutely love the texture of them. For me personally, I prefer them over lettuce any day. They have this pleasant, slightly earthy taste, and I love that crisp, cool freshness that they add to every meal. Something that makes me a big fan of these is that they add extra nutrition to my food without a lot of extra work or a trip to the store. I feel more in control of my own personal access to fresh, nutrient-dense foods thanks to these Mumm's sprouting seeds. But that's just my point of view.